I found this telescoping handle set on Amazon and it is nice. This is not what I was expecting at all. This is very heavy. I mean, not so heavy that I can't lift it, but it certainly has some really nice weight to it. It is not flimsy. It is not gonna bend when you're using it. It will go from, let's see, I have it up a little bit. It will go from 5 feet to 20 feet. So I could do something like if you had cathedral ceilings, if you had vaulted ceilings, you know that space over top your stair steps, that's really hard to reach. This will be it. It comes with different attachments. So this one is like a feather style duster. Then we have this type of duster, which I'm actually going to use. Oops, it's got the end on it. And then there is this one is for the ceiling fans. So you put the ceiling fan blade in there and then rub it across. How cool is that? I love also that you can put it at different angles so you're not stuck with it straight on, because that would make it really difficult. So no more using ladders, which are not safe. This is going to be so much easier. This has a universal end on it. You can use it for paint rollers. You could use it for squeegee to do your windows outside, which I have never said I'm looking forward to doing my windows, but this is going to be so much easier than what I used to have to do. So, but this is a really good set. You can also get a light bulb attachment, so you could change high light bulbs without getting on a ladder. So let me, I'm gonna attach this feather one on here. There we go. And it also comes with this adjustment, which you put on there, and then you can turn it to the side, so that way you could have your feather duster at a 90-degree angle instead of straight on, making it much easier to use. So I'm gonna show you with my light here. Let's see. So I can reach like this area, but with the chairs, it's not really easy. But I cannot reach up there. That's the part that I can't reach. And I have some lights in my kitchen that I can't reach. So this is gonna be so much easier. Also, if you have, I have trouble reaching behind furniture. My sofa, I cannot reach above my sofa, and I have shelves up there. So I can go along and dust off the cobwebs for my shelves. But this is a really nice set. This is a very good quality.